Welcome to our channel My Edu World. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Also do not forget to like and share our video. Today we are going to see a video on the constitutional history of India. This is the part 4th of the constitutional history of India. So let's start. In the fourth part, we would see about the Indian Council Act of 1861 and Indian Council Act of 1909. So let's start. Indian Council Act of 1861. It was the beginning of representative institution by associating Indians in the law-making process. Lord Canning, who the then Viceroy, nominated 3 Indians to his Legislative Council in 1862. He was the Viceroy of India from 1858 to 1862. It initiated the process of decentralization. The Viceroy was authorized to issue ordinances during emergencies for maximum period of 6 months. It gave a recognition to portfolio system introduced by Lord Canning in 1859. So now let's see about the Indian Council Act of 1909. This act is also known as the Minto-Morley Reforms. Lord Minto was the Viceroy and Morley was the Secretary of the State for India. It provided for the first time for the association of Indians with the Executive Council of the Viceroy and Governors. Satyendra Prasanna Sinha became the first Indian to become a member of the Viceroy's Executive Council of 1909. He was appointed as a law member. He was the first Indian for this post. It introduced a system of common representation in India by accepting the concept of separate electoral for Muslims. So friends, thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel My Edu World. Also do not forget to like and share this video.